welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make pizza bites in a Appe Pan. Guys, you can serve this as an evening snack or as a party starter, and it's absolutely delicious, very easy to make. And let's begin with our process.
So guys, for this recipe, you're going to need 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomato, 1/8 cup of finely chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn, half cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, 1 tablespoon of black olives, which is optional, and 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped jalapeno, which is again optional, salt as per your taste, and a few slices of bread. I'm going with white bread. You can go with brown as well. And now let's proceed. So now guys, in a large mixing bowl, let's add the finely chopped up onions, followed by the finely chopped up tomatoes, and then the green capsicum. Let's also add the boiled corn, followed by the grated cheese and the jalapenos, which I have roughly chopped, and the olives. Now these are optional, you can skip if you wish. Now I'm adding the mixed Italian herbs as well as the chili flakes and the pizza sauce. And now let's mix everything in.
And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed.
And once everything is mixed in, let's keep this stuffing aside and let's start working on our bread. So as you can see, I have removed the corners of the bread, and using a rolling pin, I'm going to make this bread as flat as possible. So now guys, I have 3 flat breads, and to this I'm going to use a katori with a sharp edge and press it down. And you see I'm getting circles out of this bread. So we're going to remove the excess bread. Don't throw away that bread. You can always use it later for making breadcrumbs. And now let's take the Appe pan, which I have already greased in the center, and I'm going to add that circle cut of the bread and press it very gently inside the cavity of the Appe pan. You can fold it if it is necessary for it to fit inside the cavity. And now that I have all my 3 breads fit into the cavity, let's add the stuffing in all 3 cavities, and let's top it up with some pizza cheese. Don't be stingy, add a lot of cheese on all 3 pizza cups. And once you have done that, let's put the Appe pan on a low flame and let's cook our pizza cups for about a minute. Let's not forget to cover them up. After a minute, let's open the lid and look at our pizza cups. The cheese is nicely melted, and now it's time for us to remove our pizza cups or pizza bites. And aren't they looking just so appetizing?
Look at these pieces of art in front of you. Aren't they just so beautiful and tempting? I got to have a bite now. Guys, these are so delicious. Make this today. Even if you don't have a party, just make it for yourself as a treat. They are so easy to make. You saw how easy they are, right? It's like yum, 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 yum. Like 3 times yum. So guys, do let me know what you and your friends and your family think about this recipe. Don't forget to click on the subscribe link. And guys, if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links because these are recipes which you don't want to miss. And share this recipe with your friends and family. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye. Mamma mia. This is like what? Mamma mia.